Are you searching for the best torque wrench for motorcycles for precise work? In this video, we review 7 powerful torque wrenches for bike maintenance tasks. We cover features like accuracy, grip, and ease of use. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best torque wrench for motorcycles. Let's jump in. 1. YIYEE 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch drive click torque wrench set. The YIYEE torque wrench set is a solid pick for motorcycle owners who want one complete kit. It includes 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drives, so you can handle most bolts on your bike. This makes it useful for engine work, brakes, and general maintenance. The wide torque range helps cover both smaller and larger fasteners with ease. It offers plus or minus 3% accuracy, which is reliable for daily motorcycle tasks. The click sound is clear and easy to feel, so you know when to stop tightening. The 72-tooth ratchet moves smoothly in tight spaces. That helps a lot when working inside compact engine areas. The dual scale is simple to read, even for beginners. You also get adapters and a storage case, which adds extra value. Everything stays organized and easy to carry. The price usually ranges between $50 and $80, making it a good budget-friendly option. Verdict: the YIYEE torque wrench set is best for beginners and DIY riders who want a simple, reliable, and complete torque wrench set.
2. DISEN 9-piece CS Click Torque Wrench Set. The DISEN 9-piece torque wrench set is a great choice for riders who want a flexible and complete kit. It includes a 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drives, plus useful adapters. This helps you handle different motorcycle bolts with ease. It works well for engine parts, brakes, and general maintenance jobs. The plus or minus 3% accuracy is reliable for most motorcycle tasks. It helps keep bolts tight without damage. The click sound is clear, so you know when to stop. The 72-tooth ratchet moves smoothly in tight spaces, which is helpful around engines. The price usually ranges between $45 and $75, making it a budget-friendly option. Verdict: the DISEN 9-piece CS torque wrench set is best for riders who want a simple, affordable, and versatile torque wrench set.
3. SUPERCUP Digital Torque Wrench, 3/8 drive. The SUPERCUP Digital Torque Wrench is built for riders who want more control and feedback. It covers a range of 1.5 to 99.6 foot-pounds, which works well for most motorcycle maintenance jobs. This includes spark plugs, engine covers, and wheel bolts. It feels more modern compared to basic click wrenches. The standout feature is its digital display. You can clearly see torque values while working. It also gives vibration, buzzer, and LED alerts when you hit the target. This reduces guesswork and helps prevent mistakes. Accuracy is around 1%, which is very precise for motorcycle work. The 72-tooth ratchet head moves smoothly in tight areas. Direction switching is simple, so you can tighten and loosen without hassle. The handle feels balanced, which helps during longer sessions. It supports multiple units like NM and FTPB, making it flexible for different manuals. The price usually falls between $90 and $140, depending on the seller and the offers. Verdict: the SUPERCUP Digital Torque Wrench is best for riders who want high accuracy and clear digital feedback for safer motorcycle maintenance. 4. SUZUME Digital Torque Wrench, 3/8 drive. The SUZUME Digital Torque Wrench is made for riders who want clear readings while working. It covers a range of 4.9 to 99.6 foot-pounds, which fits most motorcycle maintenance tasks. You can use it for engine bolts, wheels, and general bike servicing without guesswork. The digital screen shows real-time torque values. It also uses a buzzer and LED flash to signal when you reach the set limit. This helps reduce over-tightening and keeps parts safe. The ratchet head is responsive and works well in tight bike areas. It is simple to set up, even for first-time users. The overall build feels durable for regular garage use. The price usually ranges between $80 and $120, depending on availability. Verdict: the SUZUME Digital Torque Wrench is best for riders who want easy digital tracking and clear alerts during motorcycle maintenance. 5. LEXICON Bike Torque Wrench 1/4 inch drive LX191. The LEXICON LX191 is a compact torque wrench made for precise motorcycle work. It is designed for smaller fasteners like spark plugs, body panels, and delicate engine parts. The torque range is 2 to 26 Newton-meters, which suits light-duty bike maintenance very well. The click system is strong and easy to notice. You get both sound and feel feedback when reaching the set torque. The grip feels firm and easy to control even during detailed work. The build quality feels solid for regular garage use. It also comes with a storage case for safety and organization. The price usually ranges between $40 and $65, depending on offers and sellers. Verdict: the LEXICON LX191 is best for riders who often work on small motorcycle parts and need accurate low-torque control. 6. Uharbour Digital Torque Wrench, 3/8 drive. The Uharbour Digital Torque Wrench is built for riders who want clear readings and steady control. It supports a range of 1.5 to 99.5 foot-pound, which fits most motorcycle repair needs. You can use it for engine bolts, wheel nuts, and general servicing tasks with confidence. The digital screen shows live torque values while you work. It also gives vibration, buzzer, and LED alerts when you reach the set level. This helps avoid over-tightening and keeps parts safe. Accuracy is around plus or minus 1%, which is very precise for bike maintenance. It supports multiple units like Newton meters and foot-pound, which helps when following different manuals. The price usually ranges between $85 and $130, depending on offers and sellers. Verdict: the Uharbour Digital Torque Wrench is best for riders who want very high accuracy and strong digital feedback for safer motorcycle repairs.
7. etoolab's 3/8-inch drive click torque wrench. The etoolab's torque wrench is a simple, click-style tool for motorcycle maintenance. It covers 5 to 50 foot-pounds, which suits common bike jobs like brakes, engine covers, and general repairs. It keeps things basic and easy for daily use. The click feedback is clear, so you know when to stop tightening. This helps protect bolts from damage. It also includes a storage case for protection and easy carrying. It is lightweight, durable, and easy to store in small toolboxes, ideal for quick roadside adjustments and home garage setups. The price usually ranges between $35 and $60, making it a budget-friendly option. Verdict: the etoolab's torque wrench is best for beginners and riders who want a simple, low-cost torque wrench for everyday motorcycle maintenance.
Which best torque wrench for motorcycles should you buy? If you want a full kit, go for YIYEE or DISEN. They handle most bike jobs easily. Both are good for beginners and home garage work. If you want precision and digital feedback, pick SUPERCUP or Uharbour. They show exact torque and reduce mistakes. If you want simple click tools, LEXICON or etoolab works great. They're budget-friendly and easy to use daily. SUZUME sits in the middle. It gives digital alerts with solid accuracy.